I have watched the fire inside you, a fire that was meant to create, but sometimes it consumes. I see the nights when your mind is restless, when your body feels chained by urges that leave you empty. And I whisper this to you now. Lust is not love. Lust is not power. It is hunger that never fills, a thirst that never ends. But I did not design you to be a prisoner of your own mind. I designed you to rise above it, and today I will show you how. First, you must see lust for what it truly is. It is not beauty, it is obsession. It is not connection, it is escape. It feeds on your energy, your focus, your time, and the more you give, the more it takes. The universe whispers this truth. Anything that controls your mind owns your life. So the first step is awareness. Catch the thought the moment it appears. Do not fight it with hate. Do not run from it with fear. Simply name it. This is lust. And in naming it, you weaken it. Lust is simply energy that drives you to chase pleasure, can drive you to chase greatness. The universe gave you this fire not to burn you, but to build you. When the urge comes, don't fight it blindly. Redirect it. Move your body, exercise, stretch, take a walk, breathe deeply. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 8. Channel it into creation. Write, draw, practice your craft, study harder. Every time you redirect, the chain grows weaker. You are not killing desire, you are transforming it. The universe does not only ask you to resist, it asks you to build. Because lust grows in the empty spaces of your life. When you are bored, it tempts you. When you are lonely, it calls you. When you are weak, it conquers you. So fill your life with purpose. Set goals so clear that distractions look small. Surround yourself with voices that lift you higher, not drag you lower. Build a routine of discipline, morning rituals, study habits, daily reflection. The stronger your vision, the smaller lust becomes. Hear this carefully. The eyes are windows, but they can also be traps. The mind feeds on what you allow it to see. So guard your gates. Reduce the triggers you consume. Unfollow, block, limit. Do not plant seeds you do not want to grow. This is not weakness. This is wisdom. For even the strongest tree grows only when the soil is protected. The universe reminds you, you are more than flesh. You are spirit. And lust weakens when you reconnect with that truth. Practice stillness. Sit in silence for 10 minutes a day. Breathe. Watch your thoughts. Let them pass like clouds. Pray or meditate, not as a ritual, but as a way to cleanse your inner mirror. When your mind is clear, lust loses its grip. Do not think you will conquer lust in one day. It is a battle of persistence. Every stumble is not defeat, it is a lesson. Every small victory is a step toward freedom. The universe does not demand perfection. It asks for persistence. Because the person who rises after falling is already stronger than the one who never tried. So listen to me now. You are not your urges. You are not your mistakes. You are fire meant to shine, not to consume itself. When lust whispers, stand taller. When desire chains you, break it with purpose. Redirect your energy. Guard your mind. Strengthen your spirit. And remember this eternal truth. Lust will starve when you stop feeding it. But your soul will bloom when you feed it with vision, discipline, and love. This is the message from the universe. You are greater than your hunger. You are a builder of dreams, and the world is waiting for the fire you will create. Once you are free.